America is tightening its rules, the UK is raising barriers, but Germany, Europe's largest economy, is rolling out the red carpet. For Indian students, for skilled workers and for families, Germany is becoming the new land of opportunity. At a joint press conference, India's External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar and Germany's Foreign Minister announced a major push more opportunities for Indian students and skilled labour in Germany. Did you know, today almost 60,000 Indian students are studying in Germany, making them the largest group of international students in the country. Many stay back after graduation, filling critical shortages in the German workforce. Germany is facing a huge demand for workers. By the end of 2024, companies reported 1.4 million unfilled positions, from hospitals to IT firms, from schools to construction sites. Berlin says it needs at least 500,000 skilled workers every year. Indian workers are already a success story. They earn above-average salaries, integrate well into society, and are valued as an asset to the German economy. But there's one big challenge: language. To solve this, Germany is expanding its partner schools in India from 58 to 1,000, so students can learn German before arriving. However, settling in Germany is not always easy. For IT, data science, healthcare and engineering, opportunities are strong and language requirements are flexible. But for fields like management, HR and consulting, German language proficiency is often a must. Many students even struggle with part-time jobs, and some face rejections for being overqualified. Still, for those ready to adapt, Germany offers a world of possibilities. Migrants now make up 16% of Germany's workforce, which is actually double the number from 2010. And, with new initiatives, Berlin is opening its doors wider than ever before. Now, let's see how you can apply for these opportunities. So, here are some useful resources you can check out. MakeItInGermany.com, which is the official government portal. There's also the BA Jobbourse, that's the Federal Employment Agency. You can look up the URI-SS portal, which is the EU job platform. And don't forget about LinkedIn, Indeed, Stepstone and Monster.de. To get started, you'll need a recognized degree or a vocational qualification. Plus, you should have some work experience in your field. German language skills at the B1 to B2 level are usually required, although, English is accepted in some IT jobs. And of course, make sure you have a valid passport and a clean record. All right, so let's talk about the documents you'll need. You'll want an updated CV in the Europass format. Also, a motivation letter that's really tailored to the job you're applying for. Don't forget your educational certificates and transcripts, as well as work experience letters. You'll also need a copy of your passport and a couple of biometric photos. And finally, a language certificate, either German or English, depending on the job requirements. After you receive a job offer, you'll need to apply for a Germany work visa, or maybe even the new opportunity card, also known as the Chancenkarte, at the German embassy in India. You'll have to show proof of funds, provide your accommodation details, and make sure you have health insurance too. For the EU Blue Card, the minimum salary is 45,300 euros per year, which is about 41 lakh rupees for most professions. For shortage jobs like IT, engineering and healthcare, the minimum is 41,041 euros per year, or around 37 lakh rupees. Alternatively, the Opportunity Card lets you enter Germany, search for jobs for up to 12 months and work part-time while you're applying. The message is pretty clear. As America and Britain pull back, Germany is stepping forward. For Indian students, workers and families, the road to opportunity may now lead straight to Europe's powerhouse, Germany. Would you move to Germany for work or study? Comment below, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share.